This is Greg with the National Weather Service in Spokane. It is Monday and time for our weekly weather briefing. Let's discuss the forecast for the next week and how it will impact you. There won't be much change in our cold and dry weather pattern through Tuesday. Temperatures will remain much below average. Air stagnation advisories remain in effect for much of the region. On Wednesday, look for increasing clouds. The forecast will become more interesting on Thursday with the potential for a mixed bag of light precipitation. A much wetter storm system will be possible on Saturday, bringing the potential for moderate rain in the valleys and heavy mountain snow. Saturday may also be quite windy. Air stagnation advisories remain in effect through noon on Thursday. For the areas shaded in gray, air stagnation and dense fog may be a problem for places like Tri-Cities, Walla Walla, and near the Oregon border in the blue shading. Cold and stable air traps pollutants near the ground, and winds will be light for the next several days. Several counties in Washington and North Idaho have burn bans in effect. Please consult your regional air quality agency for more information about the burn bans. The stagnant air is partly due to the large area of high pressure over the Pacific Northwest, denoted by the big blue H on this map. The Arctic air that moved into the region last week has been trapped under this big upper-level high. The jet stream will begin to shift Wednesday and Thursday, bringing a change to this stagnant pattern. By this weekend, we expect our pattern to look very different. The jet stream should be oriented west to east and flowing much faster. The Arctic air currently over much of the U.S. will be pushed back into northern and central Canada. Washington and Idaho will likely become wetter and windier. This pattern should also bring snow to the mountains. The transition from our cold, dry pattern to a wet pattern by the weekend may bring some slick driving conditions Thursday morning. The upper-level disturbance tracking into the region for Thursday looks relatively weak at this time. In general, snow amounts should be less than 2 inches, even in the mountains. Our main concern will be the possibility of light freezing rain Thursday morning. Given the light and spotty nature of precipitation, our confidence that this storm will have a big impact on the Thursday morning commute is low to moderate at this time. The pink shading on this slide shows our area of concern for Thursday morning. We do not anticipate freezing rain over the entire region shaded in pink. However, much of the Columbia Basin, Palouse, and West Plains will be cold enough for some freezing rain early Thursday. Some of the sheltered valleys around Kamiah, Grangeville, and Orofino may also be freezing as well. Not much more than a couple hundredths of an inch of freezing precipitation is expected. By Thursday afternoon, most of the areas shaded in pink will be warm enough for the road surfaces to melt. The areas shaded in white have the potential for light snow accumulations Thursday. Valley accumulation should generally be less than an inch, with up to 2 inches in the mountains. A more vigorous storm with lots more moisture will likely occur over the weekend. If the computer models are correct, this storm will arrive on Friday night and depart on Saturday. Snow levels should be pretty high with this storm. Most of our cities in eastern Washington and north Idaho will receive rain Saturday, with the exception of some of the communities near the Canadian border. Depending on the track of this storm, Saturday could be quite windy. A subtle deviation north or south with this storm will make a big difference on how this storm impacts our region. Confidence is good that a storm will occur this weekend, but our confidence is low to moderate for details like winds and snow levels. There is good agreement between the medium-range models that our active weather pattern will linger into next week. The 8 to 14-day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center shows above-average temperatures along the west coast. The warmer-than-average temperatures are due to the strong west-to-east jet stream blowing onshore. This strong onshore flow should produce above-average precipitation for most of Washington and North Idaho as well. This outlook is valid for November 25th through December 1st. In summary, here are the potential weather impacts for the next 7 days. We have a low to moderate confidence that light freezing rain or snow will impact the Thursday morning commute in central and eastern Washington, as well as portions of north Idaho. Our confidence is moderate that heavy snow will impact travel over the mountain passes Friday night into Saturday. There is some question about snow levels at this time, however, and our confidence is low that wind will be a significant hazard Saturday and Saturday night. Please monitor our forecast through the week. For updates, check us out on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube, and thank you for tuning in to this weekly weather briefing.